Good morning. It has rained all night and most of the morning, and everything's drenched. It has stopped for the moment, and I want to do a quick tour to make sure everything's okay. We had a lightning strike that was pretty close. We couldn't see anything from the house, so I'm just going to do a quick walk around and make sure we don't have any trees down or any big branches or any damage. Of course, I get out here to the field and it starts raining, but it actually looks like the sun's trying to come up. Yep, there it is. It's trying to come out. Don't step on the tomatoes. Don't. There you go, be careful. And as quickly as the sun came out, it went back in, and there's more clouds moving in. There is a lot of standing water out here. So everything looks good. I don't see any damage or any more trees that have fallen down, which is good. Right through the mud. She's a good girl. And here comes the rain again. So we're headed back inside.
Oh, got a violent tornado moving like this. All right, again. Dangerous, extremely dangerous. All right, don't fool with this.
At 5:49. So we have what has been a long track, violent tornado on the ground from Greene County that has traveled all the way through portions of Bibb County and is now about to cross over into Chilton and Shelby County. So I want to circle this circulation here.
Good morning. It's Friday, and I wanted everybody to know that we got through the storm just fine. We got about 4 inches of rain, but no damage, just a lot of standing water. I didn't plan on shooting any video this morning. I just came out here to feed the chickens, but when I walked out here this morning, the birds are just crazy chirping, and I saw 3 deer this morning. As I walked out here, 3 deer ran across this little field and back up to the barn. It was really neat, and it made me feel really awesome this morning. I woke up at 4 a.m. this morning and started going through my social media, and I went ahead and just started collecting all the videos and pictures that I could find to give everybody a sense of what's going on in Alabama. Like I said, here on the farm, everything's fine. No damage that I can see.
Damn! I'm gonna have to clean up some more trees.
This is in the Cross Creek community in Pelham off of Highway 31. And you can see that there is extensive damage in this neighborhood. We've got trees and power lines down. It is essential, please stay off the road so first responders can get in here to help these people. okay? You can see it's bad back here, and we need to say prayers for the people who live in this community and come together to help rebuild. But this is why we tell you to please stay off the road, to let first responders do their jobs. Fortunately, the lines are dead now, and we've got first responders in the area checking on all these folks. We've not had any reports of injuries back here, and that is fantastic news.
Hey, we got that bridge clear right here. Okay, good. We've got a 1-year-old right here. Let me get the rest of this off of here. Come right across here.
Oh my God.
Large tornado crosses the road in front of me. Large tornado. Violent tornado. Tornado on the ground right in front of me, going up this mountain. There's debris. Listen to that roar. This is a violent tornado. Debris falling.
My husband and I were going back upstairs because they had said that the tornado was headed towards 280. And when we got back upstairs, my husband Larry hollered, "Go downstairs immediately, go, go, go." So we ran back downstairs, and we got in a little closet that's in our basement. And when that happened, it was just like a roaring. There was no train whistle.
Yeah.
It was a roaring. House started shaking. Then everything caved in on us. All we got out of it was he had a nail got stuck in his arm, and I got a few minor.
Just north of Greensboro, Alabama. Absolute devastation.
old as a church, but it looks like it's old too. But it wasn't as old as a church, but it looks like it's old too.
At the overpass. That's got to be it right there. There it is. That's it. That's your tornado.
It's crossing over the.
That is it. Look how large it is.
Right now.
There it is, crossing Interstate 65. Multiple vortex tornado.
This is crossing over I-65 right now. There should not be anybody on the
nope.
highway.
And
right
look at all
there.
the cars. They stop. There's some stop and it looks like the south.
There it goes, monster wedge! South of Grant, Alabama! Yeah!
Can't get out of her house back here because of all the trees from the tornado earlier in Centreville, Alabama. But you can see a lot of these people. These are volunteers out here that are helping cut this debris away so that they can get to her. You've got law enforcement out here, fire department, but these are literally volunteers out here that do a lot of work with the city. But they're out here. They're bringing in extra heavy-duty reinforcements now. It's all hands on deck to get out here and help this lady out. It is great to see this kind of community work. Devastating for the tornado, but you love it when you see people come together.
If you have a moment, stop and pray for those that are in need or that are hurting and struggling right now. I haven't even had my coffee yet this morning, so I'm gonna go in, have some coffee, and get ready for a very busy day. You guys have a great day.